Okay, so we'll work through a mass to moles type of reaction, and if we had time in class, we would spend some more time on it. But what we'll do is we'll come up with a little triangle that will help out with some things. So we have something that looks like this. Our little triangle there. And on the top we have our mass, which is in grams, and on the bottom we have our moles. And here we have our molar mass. So the way that this works is I can use this triangle to help me solve any problem that I have to solve. Okay, so it all stems off this molar mass is equal to the mass divided by moles. Now if you think of that as any ratio, then you can put in any part of, either you put your moles or your mass, or you just have to have two of them into that chemical equation, and then you should be able to get a solution. So in this one it's asking for the moles. So what we're looking for is we're looking for this one down here. This one down here. Oops, that's completely the wrong thing. Okay, so to find the moles, we are going to rearrange this equation, and what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange it so that without going into all the details of how to rearrange a formula, what we're going to do is these two things are going to swap. Okay, so what's going to happen is we're going to have the moles are equal to the mass divided by my molar mass. Okay, so N is equal to the mass, which is 25 grams, divided by the molar mass of water. Now, if we take a look at molar mass of water, we have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen. And if we do the calculation on that, we should get 18.02 grams. So 18.02 grams per mole. And I put those numbers in my calculator, and we get 1.387 moles. Now, we're not going to talk too much about them because we don't have time to, but sig digs, there's only 2 significant digits in this equation, and here they are. Okay, so even though there are other significant digits, that's the lowest number of sig digs, so that means our answer has to have the lowest, so 1.4 moles is the most correct answer. Now, you can go through and you can rearrange this formula however you would like. You can rearrange this formula however you would like to calculate whatever you're looking for. If you're looking for the molar mass and it's giving you the grams and the moles, then you can calculate it. And the really important thing here is we need to be able to find the moles, because in the next question that we're going to do, we're going to use this moles to use Avogadro's number as well.